Place your index fingers just above your jawline and with your thumb resting underneath your chin. Gently pinch and use your thumb to massage side to side along the underside of your jaw. Keep massaging as you slowly move outward to the hinges of your jaw. Anchor your thumbs just under your chin. Using the sides of your index fingers, slowly glide down over the chin area. This sweeping motion releases tension and smooths out pebble chin. Repeat this soothing movement on both the left and right sides. Rest one hand on the side of your face as an anchor. Take the knuckles of your opposite hand and gently press and glide downwards from under the jaw. Do this a few times and then repeat on the other side. Place your middle and ring fingers on your lower chin. Massage the area using gentle upward circles, moving right up to your lower lip. Repeat these circles a few times. To finish this step, stop the circles and just gently sweep your fingers straight up from your chin to your lip. Place your thumb underneath your chin and place your index fingers on top. Apply a light downward pressure. Release. Repeat this a few times. This feels incredibly relaxing for the chin area. Press and release. Hook your thumb just under your chin, bend your index finger, place them in the center, firmly but gently glide them outward. Repeat this sideways motion a few times to release tension. Let's relax the center of your chin. Gently grab a hold of your chin with both hands. Hold it gently. Wiggle the fold from side to side. Do this a few times to soften the muscle in this area. Hook your thumb under your jaw. Bring your index fingers together at the top of your chin. Slowly glide them downward. Do this relaxing motion a few times to release tension. Take your thumb and index finger and gently pinch the corner of your lips. Pull downward just a little bit. Hold it for a few seconds to feel the stretch and then switch side. Let's relax the lower face. Anchor your thumbs underneath your chin. Place your bent index fingers on either side of your chin, right below the corners of your lower lip. Gently hold this position while you slowly open and close your mouth a few times. Anchor your thumbs underneath your jawline using the knuckles of your bent index fingers. Gently massage your chin in a small circles. Keep this circular motion going for a few moments to completely release tight muscles. Anchor your thumb just under your chin with a bent index finger. Start at the corner of your lip. Slowly sweep outward. Repeat this upward lifting motion a few times to help smooth and contour the lower face. Gently grip the fold at the corners of your mouth with both hands. Carefully walk this fold of skin all the way up your cheek towards your hairline. Do this a few times on each side for a wonderful lifting effect. Rest your palms gently on your lower jawline. Use your hands for support as you slowly open and close your mouth a few times. This is a wonderful way to release built up tension. Anchor your thumb underneath your chin with your index fingers resting on top firmly but gently sweep along the jaw starting at the center and gliding all the way up to the base of your ears. Do this a few times to release tension and define the lower face. Here we massage glide downward with your index finger, glide downward. Place your thumb under your chin, rest your index finger on top. With your index finger, another hand, make a small zigzag movements as you glide upward from your chin to the base of your ear. Do this a few times on this side to help release tension, contour the lower face. Rest one index finger lightly on your lower lip for support. Using your opposite index finger, gently press and glide downwards to the base of your chin. Do this a few times to help release tension. Anchor your thumb underneath your jaw using the knuckles of your bent index finger. Press gently just under your lower lip and slowly glide downwards. Repeat this relaxing motion a few times to release tension. Let's wake up the lower face. Using your flat fingertips, gently tap all along the lower jaw on both sides. Keep this light tapping going for a few moments to gently stimulate the area and release tension.